Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up AI signals on TradingView, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface on the screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT, and right above this chart you can see the indicators option, which is at right side of this candle icon. So once you click on that indicators option, another section pops out, right, where you need to click on this technicals and now search for the AI. Now you can see tons of the AI signals provided by the community. Let me choose any of them. Let me choose first one. Now once you click on it, you'll be able to set up AI signals successfully. So basically this is how you can set up AI signals on TradingView. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.